Adding a bank account to your Etrade account allows you to transfer funds for trading and investing. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Etrade account. Visit the Etrade website or open the Etrade mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Access account settings. On the main dashboard, navigate to the transfers or account section. The location may vary depending on whether you are using the website or mobile app. Add bank account. Click on Add bank account or link external bank. You will be prompted to provide details about your bank. Enter bank information. Input your external bank's routing number and account number. This information can be found on your bank's checks or online banking platform. You may be asked to verify the account through micro-deposits. Etrade will make small test deposits into your bank account. Verify account. Check your bank account for the test deposits. Enter the amounts in Etrade to confirm the account. Complete setup. Once verified, the bank account will be linked to your Etrade account. You can now use it to transfer funds for trading or investing.